Module 3, Matching Who You Are to Careers. Now we connect you to careers. If you like helping people, you may enjoy health or teaching. Like solving problems, you may enjoy engineering or tech. Like creativity, you may enjoy art, music, or design. Careers are not random. They often match your personality and interests. Key ideas: your personality matters. There is no one perfect job. You can have more than one interest. Ask yourself, what kind of problems do I enjoy solving? Do this match game exercise. Take your interest map from Module 1. Then, draw lines connecting your interest to possible jobs. Example: drawing, designer, helping friends, counselor. Module 4, Learning from Role Models. A role model is someone whose life or work inspires you. They help you see what is possible. For example, Elon Musk shows innovation and problem solving. Serena Williams shows discipline and hard work. Trevor Noah shows creativity and communication. Role models are not perfect, but they show different paths you can take. Key ideas: role models expand your thinking. You can learn from many different people. You can combine qualities from different people. Ask yourself, who inspires me and what do I like about how they live or work? Do this, My Role Model page. Exercise: pick one role model and write what they do, what you like about them, what you can learn from them. Module 5, Breaking Career. Stereotypes. Sometimes people say things like, this job is only for men. This job is only for smart people. People from your background can't do this. These are called stereotypes, and they are not true. Anyone can learn, grow, and try new things. Your future should not be limited by what others believe. Key ideas: stereotypes are limiting beliefs. You are allowed to explore anything. Your background does not decide your future. Ask yourself, have I ever felt like a job is not for me? Why did I think that? Do this break the belief exercise.